Understanding the phrase, "That's rich," in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, "That's rich." This expression can be quite intriguing, especially for non-native speakers. Let's explore its meanings and usage together. "That's rich" is a phrase used to express irony or disbelief in response to someone's statement or action. It's often employed when someone finds another person's statement to be hypocritical or amusingly inconsistent with their actions or character. The phrase is not about wealth, but rather about the richness of the irony involved. To understand "that's rich" better, let's look at some examples. Imagine a known latecomer scolding someone else for being late. You might respond with, "That's rich," coming from you. If a person known for being disorganized criticizes others for their lack of organization, one might comment, "That's rich." This phrase is best used in informal situations. It's important to be cautious, as it can come across as sarcastic or mocking. Use it when you want to point out the irony in someone else's words or actions, especially when their criticism applies more to themselves. In different English-speaking cultures, "that's rich" might have slight variations or similar expressions with the same meaning. For instance, some might say, "pot calling the kettle black," in a similar context. Being aware of these nuances is crucial in understanding English idioms and phrases fully. We hope this video helped you understand the phrase, "That's rich," and how it's used in English. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances in expressions unique to that language. Keep practicing, and don't forget to enjoy the journey of learning English.